my name is Rocky, and my company name is Suzhou Yingbang Limited Company. And our company was established in 2008. And we have done the business in Bangladesh for 8 years. And I think we have very much experience and knowledge of dyeing and after finish. So I can think we can bring more new methods and designs for clothes to further development with BD industries. And our main product is woven fabric, and we do the down jacket and outdoor clothes and fashion clothes.